Hey folks, man, it's your boy Monk, and we are back with another episode of Monk's Box where we unbox tech toys and sneakers, man. This is gonna be the first official new segment under the sneakers unboxing series. We're gonna be talking about some reps here, and I'm being straight up with y'all, man. Like, I don't care, man. As a cat who's got limited funds but loves his shoes, man, the resellers, bro, I can't go that route with some of this stuff, man. And the quality on his reps is so good, man. It's indistinguishable from real things. I got real, I got fake, and I compare them. And also, if you don't know or you're being naive about it, man, all these cats out here, some of your favorites, man, they covering replicas, bro. All these early reviews, man, all these people, they got inside track with Nikes or inside track with shoes, man, where they dropping reviews on kicks a month, 2 months early, bro. Sneakers don't come to Foot Locker that soon or to these exclusive retail sites. Nah, man, they don't have space, you know what I'm saying, to be getting inventory that soon, bro. But I'm keeping it real with you. I'm gonna keep it real with you on this channel. You're gonna see fakes, you're gonna see reals, and I'm gonna tell you what's what. Today we got a pair of Yeezys, man. These are pretty dope, a dope pair. These actually aren't mine, man. I ordered them for one of the homies, because like I'm saying, man, I'm showing this to people that I know, and they're even amazed by it. So they're like, why do I need to go that route too, man? Let's get the, let's get it how we live, man, because they out there, bruh. I mean, if you want to spend your rent money on sneakers, more power to you, man. I'm gonna show you another way how to get it, man. But let's go, let's look at these, man. So today we're gonna be looking at a pair of Yeezy 700 Boost, man. It's the box. This is the Faded Azure colorway, man. These are hot, bro. So let's get a look at these. Boom, yo. So this is a crazy pair right here, man. You know what I'm saying? I definitely appreciate this color scheme. Faded Azure, that's kind of, bluish. If you're looking at the Latin root word of it. Azul, that's blue in Spanish. So, we're going along those lines. But this does appear to be like a turquoise colorway. All over the shoe. We got a couple of tones and a couple of textures, man. That's one of the things I appreciate about the 700 design. They are working with a lot of different textures on the shoe. We got a really solid rubber midsole here, with these orange highlights on the side. Underneath, going to get this nice tread. It usually is two-tone like this, where we got this black outer and then some looks like a bluish gray on the inner, as well as the boost that peeks out through the shoe. That's a characteristic. This is a 700 Boost model. This is interesting. So far as textures go, we got like a soft suede right here on the sides, as well as here. Some mesh material, and you can kind of see the stripes peeking through. These stripes are also 3M, so they are very reflective. You're going to see that at night and in certain lighting conditions, as well as right here. These spots are always on this 700 model right there. We got this different tone mesh color right here that pops up in several spots on the shoe, and a bigger mesh pattern too here. That's a characteristic that goes around this heel structure. Then on the front, we also got a different mesh color pattern. So there's actually maybe 3 different styles of mesh incorporated into this shoe, which I love. Inside, we get the Yeezy branding, the same color on the sole insert right there that we see on the outer of the shoe. And this upper is interesting because that's where we get another texture. So this is actual real leather right here. It's not a suede, but it's a leather that contrasts against the suede. We get more 3M right here, down here on this lace loop. And there's another lace loop on the tongue that has 3M on it. So these are going to help you out if you're, walking around at night, help you stand out, crossing the street or jogging or whatever. And these gray earth tone laces come with this. So boom, and like I said, as far as the quality of this, these are identical to my retail Yeezys. I definitely have 2 pairs of that. I treated to myself on my birthday a couple years ago and got me a pair of wave runners that cost me like, I'm embarrassed to say how much I spent for those, but I'll tell you what, for what I spent on those, I could have got 3 of these. Boom, and no one's gonna be the wiser, man. These things, man, no one's gonna call you out with these on your feet. I've seen these in the streets, and these are pretty much identical and dead on, man. You know what I'm saying? So this is it for the first episode of What You Rep. I'm gonna give you the 360 whip around view with more detail. And yeah, subscribe, man. We're gonna be back for more on Monk's Box, man. What You Rep, and we out of here, folks. Peace.